Create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool. Make the text color dark gray. And type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Change the color of the text. This can be any color you want. Right-click on the top text layer and select Rasterize Type. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Then select the top half of the text. Press Ctrl+Shift+J to cut the selected area in a new layer. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Move the bottom middle anchor point to change the perspective. Select the layer with the bottom half of the text. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Move the top middle anchor point. Zoom in to make sure the two parts of the text align perfectly. Make sure the bottom half of the text is selected. Then click on the FX icon and select Color Overlay. Make the bottom half of the text a little bit darker than the top half. Select the bottom text layer. Lower the opacity of the text to around 60%. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select Convert to Smart Object. I use a radius of 1 pixel. And that's how you bend a text.